Welcome to this YouTube tutorial on thought recording, a powerful technique to transform negative or unhelpful thoughts into more positive and realistic ones. Thought recording can be valuable if you're struggling with stress or want to improve your well-being. I am Dr. Prerna Kohli, a clinical psychologist and the founder of MindTribe. At MindTribe, we provide affordable counseling, support groups, communities, workshops, and e-learning for improving your mental health. This tutorial will explore thought recording, why it's essential, and how to apply it daily. Let's get started. Thought records are a therapeutic technique that helps identify and challenge negative thought patterns, leading to more positive emotions and behaviors. Our thoughts greatly influence how we feel and act, and by reshaping them, we can cope better with challenges and boost our confidence. It involves becoming aware of automatic thoughts and beliefs that arise in response to different situations in your daily life. For example, if I don't get an A on this test, I'm a complete failure, or if I fail this job interview, my entire career will be ruined. These automatic thoughts are often distorted and contribute to negative emotions and unproductive behaviors. We identify these distortions through thought records and modify them to develop more accurate and helpful perspectives. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you transform your thoughts. First, set the scene. Find a quiet and comfortable space to focus without distractions. Use a notebook or digital tool dedicated to thought recording. Create 6 columns: situation, thought, emotion, evidence for the thought, evidence against the thought, and balanced thought. Consider the following scenario. You were attending your friend's birthday party at a local restaurant. The atmosphere was lively, with music and laughter all around. You were having a good time, however, after some time, you realized you felt very upset and low. Now, analyze through the following steps. Step 1. Situation. Begin by noting specific details about the situation or context in which you noticed a change in your emotions. This will help you better understand the event and identify your particular triggers. Include the date, time, location, and the people who were present. Additionally, summarize what was happening just before you noticed the shift in your feelings. For example, date, September 12th. Time, 7 p.m. Location, your friend's birthday party. People present, your close friends and acquaintances. Summary. You attended your friend's birthday party at a local restaurant. The atmosphere was lively, with music and laughter all around. You were having a good time chatting with your friends and enjoying the celebration. Step 2. Emotion. Next, describe your emotions and any physical sensations during the emotional change. Use single words to label the feelings and rate their intensity from 0 to 100%. For example, at around 8:30 p.m. during the party, you noticed a shift and began to feel sad. Step 3. Thoughts. Record the thoughts and images in your mind, especially those that occurred just before the change in your emotions. Ask yourself helpful questions, such as, what was going through my mind at that moment? What thoughts or self-talk was I engaging in? Did I have any mental images, pictures, or memories? What implications did that situation have for me or my future? After reflecting on what was going through your mind at that moment, you identified the following thoughts. I wish I had a partner to share these moments with. Everyone seems to be in a happy relationship except me. I feel lonely and left out at social events like this. Step 4. Challenging thoughts. Remember that the primary goal of this exercise is not simply to think happy thoughts but to think accurately. Our thinking can become biased, but we have the power to change it. To challenge your thoughts effectively, consider the process of a court case. Your thought is the defendant is in the dock, and you play the defense, prosecution, and judge roles. Follow these steps to examine the evidence for and against the thought. First, identify the thought and write it down. Focus on one thought at a time. For example, I feel lonely and left out at social events like this. Next, generate a list of reasons supporting the thought and another list questioning its validity. Ask, what evidence supports this thought? And what would you tell a friend with a similar thought? Consider instances when such thoughts were untrue and identify evidence casting doubt. Example, supporting thought, you were at a party, and while everyone had a significant other, you were a single guest. Questioning thought, is it fair to compare my situation to others? Relationships aren't the only source of happiness. Other single people might be feeling the same way. I have great friends who care about me. I don't need a partner to have a fulfilling life. Finally, read the original thought and all the reasons for and against it out loud. This promotes a more objective perspective. Evaluate the evidence and aim for a balanced view that enhances emotional well-being. Then, write down your new thought, reflecting the revised perspective. It's okay to feel a bit sad sometimes, but my happiness doesn't solely depend on being in a romantic relationship. I should focus on enjoying the company of my friends and celebrating this special moment with them. I can work on building meaningful connections and appreciate the support I have from my friends. Rate your belief in old and new thoughts from 0% to 100%. Notice changes in your beliefs and thought patterns. For instance, if sadness was initially at 80%, it decreased to 40% after adopting a balanced perspective. By engaging in this process regularly, you can develop the skill of challenging and reframing unhelpful thoughts, fostering personal growth and a more positive mindset. Remember, daily self-reflection is a vital practice when it comes to thought recording. It involves taking time daily to increase awareness of your thoughts, emotions, and thinking patterns. Set aside dedicated time daily to write down your thoughts and feelings, reflect on your day, and recognize any negative thoughts that arise. Through daily self-reflection, you gain a deeper understanding of your thoughts and emotions, paving the way for effective thought recording. Congratulations! You have now learned the essential steps of thought recording. Remember, thought recording is not about suppressing or denying negative emotions, it's about recognizing and reframing unhelpful thoughts in a more balanced and realistic way. Practicing this technique regularly can improve your mental well-being and cultivate a positive mindset. Thank you for listening.